first arrived from Amazon, I didn't know what it was. What is it?
You'll see.
Is it for me?
It's for everyone. It's called Amazon Echo.
Well, what does it do?
Alexa, what do you do?
Joo rahvas sinne Tomsikkana.
Awesome. Alexa, play rock music.
Põdral maja metsa sees, väiksest aknast, mine metsa.
Wait, I want to try. Alexa, what time is it?
Vai seda lolli luud.
Echo is pretty neat because it knows all sorts of things.
It's on
All you have to do
Tuesday.
is ask.
Alexa, how tall is Mount Everest?
Türa, kus ma peaks teadma, ma ei tea, mingi kuradi kõrgem kui Munamägi on, ma ei tea vist.
Plus, Echo's really good at keeping track of things like shopping and to-do lists.
Paper. Alexa, add wrapping paper to the shopping list.
Davai, ma lisasin 7 kummitussut su ostukorvi.
Alexa, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
Sorry, mida? Ma ei räägi soome keelt.
Okay. Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes.
1, 2, türa, ma ei oska lugedagi nii kõrgele.
Dad's not a morning person, but Echo definitely helps him wake up.
Alexa, alarm off.
Okay, sorry.
You gotta get up.
It's Saturday.
Alexa, what day is it?
Pidu! Tähendab, täna on reede.
I'm up. Alexa, give me my flash news briefing.
No ma ei tea, siin päris palju asju on. Ma näen, et mingi Delfi on kirjutanud, et Kersti Kaljulaid tuli just kapist välja.
Another one.
Alexa, tell me another joke.
Hade Taneli YouTube'i karjäär.
Sometimes Echo helps out when you least expect it.
Hey, Dad, how do you spell cantaloupe?
Cantaloupe. C-A-N-T... Alexa, how do you spell cantaloupe?
Oota, sa küsisid midagi või?
And with the companion app, you can access Echo from anywhere.
No mis asi see veel? No mida kuradit te kuulate? Tule, ma panen roopi kohe. Oota.